All right, how's everyone doing? I'm Rich Chalenza. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm actually in downtown Longwood, which is basically, I guess you could say, a form of Orlando, Florida, even though it's basically north. If you know anything about Orlando, Florida, or just Central Florida in general, Longwood is basically going to be, it's about 4 or 5 towns, maybe even a little more, outside of downtown Orlando, north. It'll basically go like College Park, Winter Park, Maitland, Altamont, and then you'll kind of get into Longwood, which is kind of near Lake Mary as well. If you ever came in from Daytona, it's about 60 miles south from there. If you've ever been to Disney, this is about, I want to say probably about almost 50 to 60 miles north again of Disney. So I'm on Church Street. What is it? Church and, yeah. I've been coming here I haven't been coming to the show, but I've been coming to Longwood, downtown Longwood, for 30, 40 years. It's definitely grown over the years. It's still nothing huge, but it's still a nice little quaint town. And they have a car show every year that my father goes into. I'm gonna cruise around. It's a small show, but it's a nice show. There's another show going on right now as well in Lake Mary. It's more of a higher end show. This is gonna be more vintage. They usually have this in early February is their show, then Lake Mary has their show this weekend, and then you have also next week, I think it's Winter Springs. So I'm gonna walk around, I'll kind of show you some of the cars here, and show you my father's car as well. All right. Yeah, so Longwood actually is not too far from Sanford. Smaller show than the shows we go to. It's still very nice. Yeah, my father's always been kind of a collector of cars. He loves all different style cars. I should walk through here with him actually later and get some stuff. Like he's owned this type of Corvette when he was younger, and then he owns actually old and new Corvettes. Just many different types of cars over the years, even including cars that very seldom people ever seen, which like a Bricklin, for instance, which almost looks kind of like a DeLorean. But yeah, he's a huge car lover. So when I get a chance, I just flew into town yesterday. I try to make these shows with him. It's kind of like a father-son thing. I'll tell you, if you got a dad and he likes cars, boats, whatever he likes, and he likes going to these shows and you have the time, try to fit it in with him. You'd be actually amazed how happy your parents will be, or your father, mother, whoever it is, when you do things like this with them. So yeah, I've been coming to Florida in general, especially Orlando, since I was like 5 years old. I had family that actually lived here. I had a couple cousins, along with an aunt that moved here. So I was really fortunate. I've been coming really to Orlando from its infancy, like right, not when Disney World opened necessarily, but like when Epcot and all those things were opening. I've been here through the whole cycle. Then I ended up moving here when I was 18 years old. So it's unbelievable to see the town. Hey, there you are.
Freddy's car.
What's going on? I'm just giving them a quick view. What? Nice. You gonna walk the show? Yeah. You ready, Freddie? Which way you want to go? I'm just shooting some video footage.
Wait, see if he's here.
Yeah. Well, here's my father's car. Let me get a quick shot, Pops, real quick. So that's his 1980 Zimmer. Golden Spirit. It's mint. He's got to park it away from everybody. It's kind of funny like that. So yeah, it's a gorgeous car. He usually wins every show he goes into. This is definitely a smaller show. But he wins so many awards. It's unbelievable. So, quick walk with my father. This is a little show. It's nice though. I was talking about how Florida, we've been coming here for so many years. I've been coming since I was 5. You've been coming to Florida your whole life. But a majority when I was younger was South Florida. We had a lot of family members that owned condominiums and things in that nature. Boca, Pompano, Fort Lauderdale area. So to see Florida just over the years just blow up, and I was fortunate enough too to live in California for a while. Chicago's where I originally grew up, but I guess you could say I've definitely been around the block. Alright. Yeah, this looks like this show is more. My father's car's a 1980. This show looks definitely kind of like if you went to the car show at there by Kissimmee. I can't even remember that place. They have 2 nights. One's vintage, one's modern. Where do you go in Kissimmee? Where's that show you used to go to where one night's vintage, one's modern? What's that place? Old Town. Old Town, that's right.
From Friday nights from 80 on up. Saturday night is 79 down.
Yeah, and that's every weekend, right?
Every weekend.
Yeah, my mother's also, she loves old style cars like this. So when she comes to town, I also go to car shows with her. Like I was just talking about Old Town or anything like that. Sometimes my mother and father both go. So yeah, there is the show, the Longwood Car Show. And you know, a lot of people think Orlando, Florida, just in general, it's always Mickey Mouse, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, all those type of things. But there's a lot of unique things that are always going on the outskirts. I didn't really appreciate it till I got a lot older myself. There's a lot of great people. I'm really fortunate. I didn't realize it till like later in life, especially my daughters. They grew up in Orlando, Florida. I call them professional tourists, but there's just really a lot of stuff always going on in Orlando. And I spend so much time traveling all over the United States that I'm kind of shocked even when I come back to Florida how much is really going on. Like there's even, like I said, there's 2 car shows, one in here, like one in Lake Mary. So if you do travel, hypothetically, to Orlando, Florida, do some research besides just going to tourist attractions that most people go to. There's a lot of different things like this always going on all over Central Florida. And I would even throw in Tampa in there. Obviously, if you want to go to Sarasota. So yeah, check it out. Florida's got a lot of stuff always going on. So I just thought I would do another video on this car show. And I may, if we go to Lake Mary, because my father got invited to that show as well, I'll go do a video there as well to give you an idea what that show looks like. All right, if you get a chance, subscribe to my channel. I'm always going to be posting unique places I go to all over North America, hopefully Italy as well soon. Hopefully Italy as well very soon. I also try to find things that are affordable for people that's not always a lot of money. Sometimes I do go to other places that do cost a lot of money, but things like this is free to park, free to come to, and just a really good, good afternoon, spending time, with locals. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up there. If you get a chance, check out my podcast, The Rich Shalenza Show, WTF Are You Talking About? I'm also obviously have a YouTube. I have a LinkedIn, a Twitter account, and Instagram, and Facebook page too. So like I said, if you get a chance, subscribe. I'm always just going to be posting crazy shit all over the place. What else was I going to say? So if you're traveling, safe travels. I wish you nothing but the best.